What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to Thorpe Park. It's currently 7 AM. I woke up at 6. I am dead. Hopefully the roller coasters will put me in shape and get me ready for the day. And please make sure you like, comment and subscribe and enjoy. So guys, we are headed to Thorpe right now. There's Stealth in the background, there's Cameron and Mariama. And this is a new ride, the Ghost Train, but it's not open. So this is Thorpe right here, this is the summer run as well. Thorpe's got like these blades that turn around. It does like a loop and there's an initial really deep drop. So we just went on Thorpe, which is right behind us, and how did you find it?
I thought it was brilliant. I was a bit scared, but got through it.
He was screaming the whole time.
No, I wasn't.
Masks are like essential. Everyone has to wear a mask on it. So my mask kept like slipping down each time, but it was really fun. And yeah, we're going on the Samurai next. So guys, we're about to go on
the Nemesis Inferno. And Mariama knows the fact. What are you saying? Your legs dangle uncontrollably.
The queue's been fairly long. It's been an hour, but it's gone up to 2 hours since joining. So, but it's not been too bad. I've got some good company.
Yeah, we've got Mariama over there.
So this is the view from the top of Nemesis. So over here you've got Nemesis, you've got the detonator here, over here is Tidal Wave, and then you've got Swarm in the background, and then there is Stealth. So we're gonna go on this ride and I'll see you later. So we just went on Nemesis Inferno and it was pretty crazy. I loved it. I had my hands up the whole time. Cameron over here was screaming. But no, it was really fun. It had like loads of loop-the-loops. We managed to queue for an hour and 15 minutes, and then the ride is only about 2 minutes long. But now we're going on the Rumba Rapids, which is pretty chill and laid back. So guys, we just went on Stealth. It goes 0 to 80 2 seconds behind us, and it was crazy, absolutely crazy. So right behind me, this is Thorpe, which we're going on next. So guys, we're gonna go on this, which is called Rush, and what it does, it's like a swing that goes back and forth. Cameron's very scared to go on, but don't worry, he's very scared to go on.
Done like this so many times.
Mariama's buzzing to go on. So So in Thorpe Park they actually have a beach. This over here is tidal wave. You got in the background Stealth. There's Cameron and Mariama. This is the Swan, guys, the last ride of today. So guys, we managed to go on Stealth twice. We managed to catch it one last time. So we went on Swarm, and after we went on Swarm we actually ran it and just like ran it straight to Stealth. And we went on Stealth and it was really cool, really fun. And now we're just leaving, so that's the end of the vlog and the day. We are exhausted, but it's been a really good day, and even during COVID and everything that's going on, it's not much different other than like social distancing and everything. It's been such a good day. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.